why the band, the drum at the sports, the inter-school sports?
Well, they would ban them because it says that the children, they respond to the music in a negative way, saying that they're acting what they just call worthless.
So you agree that it should be banned, or?
Well, no, because when you have the drums beating and the athletes hear the drums beating, they raise their expectations to do better. The children, they get a little angry about this, but they try to work a way around it by bringing biscuit tins and pans and pots and things like that.
But seeing that the drum is part of the African culture, how do you view it being taken away from the black people?
Well, that is kind of like how I say it, like kind of like slavery, because when they used to hear the Africans beating drums, they used to take away the drums from them.
The same slave master policy, operating this same mentality and law and rules to the school children now in these times.
Yeah.
When crop over, you know that people just have all of the children dancing and walking up. It don't be a problem.
Well, it's don't mean a problem then, but they want to say because we're in school time, that is the point of time to just watch the people race.
So what waffles is there saying that goes on, that the children behave?
Well, they're trying to say that the children just walk out and don't pay attention to the race, but actually they just be expressing themselves and they also watch the races too.
What you think should be done?
Well, I think the drums should be brought back and let the children have a good time. If not, even they don't bring on the first 3 days, let it bring on the last two, the semi-finals and the finals.
Which school you looking to see win this year?
Well, I'm looking for my home school, Comamira, but I don't know how it's gonna react now because we have a lot of injuries so far. But I think we're gonna come back after all these injuries.
So, okay, apart from not looking from your perspective, look from an overall perspective. Who got the better right now? You see, got the better chances of winning right now?
Well, Springer has the girls so far. Everyone is talking about Springer, but in the boys now, there's 3 schools: Comamere, Parsons College, and Queens.
Now, what about St. Leonard's?
Well, St. Leonard's, they don't have as much athletes as the rest of the schools right now.
What you find are the major problems that going on in the schools?
Well, the major problems that you find is that some children they like try to skip classes because the teachers they get raised that the teachers don't really care about them, and then also sometimes they even use indecent language to them, like cursing them.
Do you use any indecent language to the teachers?
No.
Never had?
No.
Okay. What would the advice that you would give to the students?
Well, I would tell the students that when a teacher does something like this, report to the principal, and if that doesn't work, talk to your parents and let them report to the ministry.
What do you think about the Alexander situation? It's a kind of ticklish situation there, but what as a student, you know, how you look at it?
Well, from what I've heard, well, he would have done some things that
Mr. Brooms?
Yes, Mr. Brooms. He would have done some things that I do not agree with. And there was an issue after the Alexandrian problem talking about how he would have told the teacher to cut a boy's mouth. And I do not agree with this because that was very wrong, because you can see that this boy had sensitivity problems because he used to take his own machine to his barber to get his hair cut, but this person would have used his scissors and cut it off.
You don't see nothing wrong with wearing a muff?
No.
Do you have Rastafari going to school at Comamere?
Yes.
Do they have problems with the Rastafari and their hairstyle?
No, because actually approximately about 2 of our teachers have locks and they are Rastafarians.
Families at home are the cause for a lot of children causing a lot of disturbance, and their manners and their cursing and their, you know, their ways, the attitude and everything.
Well, it's like a 50-50 answer, yes and no, because some parents know, they know that they shouldn't be doing certain things around the children, but they still do it. But then there's some parents who are going through such hard times because of the hard economic hardships, that they cannot like do what they're supposed to do, like do good and influence the child in a good way.
What advice would you give to the parents and advice would you give to the students?
Well, I would tell the parents that to just try to talk with your child and help him to understand your situation and to help him get through our school. And as a child, I would listen and respond in a positive way. I want to big up all my Comer crew. I want to big up all the people that running in the school sports, especially our newcomers like Shakil, Aline, and other people like that. And I also want to big up my class 4E. I also want to big up some of the girls too that are running, like my close friend Vanessa Lewis, my other friend who is Leonels. Yeah, just want to big up those two.
No, 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 woman, no cry.